What's up, cousins?
Yeah, dripping, oh, yeah. AK-47 fully loaded, killing folks, yeah.
Okay. I don't even know how to start this video. Alright, so I'm about to put you guys on. This is all 2018 stuff, so like obviously everything's gonna be different this year. So I'm just putting you onto the stores and the options that they may have. Just make sure you're signed up to everything like at least a month ahead of your birthday, so that you know your name is registered, and by the time your birthday comes around they give you your gift, because some of them be playing like, oh, you have to be registered, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so just make sure you're registered ahead of time. I haven't touched like majority of the stuff because I've been planning on doing a video for this for like what, 4 months. Oh, September, October, November, December, January, 4 months. So Sephora, oh! It was between this and I think, I don't know, but this is what I picked. Glam Glow is skincare, super mud mask clearing treatment, and glow starter mega illuminating moisturizer. So I do have a moisturizer because I'm running out of my regular, so I might just, you know, keep this for travel. So I completely forgot to put this in the video, but I also did get a gift from Fresh. What came in the birthday gift was a lip balm, so like a sugar lip treatment, a facial cream, and then I got another gift on top of that for, you know, signing up to be a member, and that was a soy face cleanser, which I've gotten before in a Sephora gift, and I really like it. It's like very gentle. The guy in Fresh was so nice. Like, he's like, oh, do you want a cup of water? Oh, your skin looks really good. I'm just like, oh, thank you so much. But no, yeah, he was really nice. That's one thing I did touch was my Ulta gift, and it's pretty much done now. So it's the It Cosmetics Superhero Lash mascara, volumizing mascara. This is how it looks. It's small, but it does the job. I'm always so exhausted on Sundays. I'm so exhausted. Alright, let's get serious. So the Body Shop gives you $10. I got this tea tree skin clearing facial wash, and then I got the toner, and I used this a couple of times. Haven't used this yet, but and then I also got, oh, should I tell you the prices of this stuff, or does it matter? I don't know. It was 10. They gave me 10, I think. Let me see. So the toner and the wash was $5 each, which was the $10 right there. I think I had a coupon, if I'm not mistaken. There was probably like some promotion. I think it was either like $5 off of a purchase over 10. This next thing, which I'm about to show you, was $6, and then I used my $10 and another $5 was taken off, so my total was $1.08 for all three of those things. So this is the Hawaiian Kukui body cream. Haven't used this yet, haven't even opened it yet, so let's open it. Ooh, it smells regular. It smells nice though, but it just smells regular. Oh, it's like a thick cream though. Why? Y'all like my bun? I'm tired of this bun. This bun is old. Like, it needs to retire. But okay, L'Occitane. It's funny because I already went through this in another haul that I did, how to pronounce their name, and I still don't know how to pronounce it. So with them, you had to make a purchase. It was no minimum, but you had to make a purchase. So the cheapest thing I found was this overnight perfecting mask. Everything is so dusty because I'm telling you, they've been sitting here waiting for me to like put them on a video. So it's this overnight mask, And I think it's, how many is in here? One? But it was the cheapest thing on the website. Little cute little thing. This is the birthday gift. And it comes with the same thing that I got in my last haul. Shower oil with almond oil and hand cream. So it came with a eye cream or face cream. I think it's just face cream. And a youth oil. And this is the eye cream. NYX gives you $5 off. And so I got this brow pencil, which I've been using ever since. It's just a nice little thin slim brush. I mean brow pencil, and it has the spoolie on one end and the applicator on the other end. I still have a good amount left. So that was $10, I believe, and then they gave me $5 off. You do the math.
21.
This is probably the most exciting one because I didn't even know that they gave birthday gifts. But this is a candle. A candle. Like, I'm gonna be the most excited about a candle. This is a candle, but not just any candle. This is like an expensive ass, bougie ass candle from Diptyque. And if you never heard of Diptyque, I'm pretty sure they're a French candle making company. I haven't opened this yet either. I'm opening it now. I don't know if I like the smell of it, but this is like that basic influencer, beauty blogger, lifestyle blogger candle that you see when they set up the little layout for their Instagram post, and then they have this candle on the side. This is that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bice. It smells okay. I'm just like more into like warm vanilla, nice, you know, sweet scents like that, or like fresh. But this kind of smells like some kind of, not a flower, but like an herb. I don't know. Oh, that means berries. Okay, berries. It doesn't smell like berries to me. Actually, no, it doesn't. It doesn't smell like berries. 70 grams, 2.4 ounces. Yeah, can you guess how much this candle costs? Google it. Can't forget the Victoria's Secret panties. I'm not gonna show you my panties, but Victoria's Secret panties, you know. Oh, so there was one more thing that I did get. It was a Bare Minerals liquid lipstick. But the color was too light for me, so I gave it away. But with Bare Minerals, you have to make a purchase before you can get the gift. So the way I finessed it was that obviously I wasn't about to like spend $50 just to get a free gift. So I ordered a foundation, and I returned it. I didn't open it, didn't touch it, nothing. I just ordered it, they shipped it to me, I returned it, and I got the gift, and I kept the gift. Urban Decay, they're a little, I guess they, you know, they're a little ahead of the game. They know people like me, so they don't let you return it. If you return whatever you bought, you have to return it with the free gift, which is like mad grimy. But I guess they know people like me out here scheming and finessing and trying to get free shit all day. So yeah, I didn't bother with them, because it was like, they're gonna ask me to return the gift, then what's the point? So I think that's it for all the birthday stuff. I'm just gonna show you the miscellaneous free shit that I got for random reasons not related to my birthday. Makeup eraser, and I always see their ad on Instagram, and they're like, oh, get your free sample. So I always click it, and they send me a free sample, It takes a while, but who cares? So I've gotten like 2 of these already. Here's one that I've used, and it was pretty nice. Like I would consider getting the actual product.
The only thing is that like I'm just lazy.
So I'll just grab a makeup wipe and I'll be done with it. Like I'm not trying to like go to the sink, wash my face. I mean, this is a more efficient option because you're not wasting all those wipes, and I think this gets more makeup off, and yeah, it's reusable. It's friendlier to the earth, but I'm good with my wipes for now. This is from a brand called Rituals that I haven't heard of. This is another thing that I just saw on Instagram, like on an Instagram ad, and this is a foaming shower gel. This is cute. I kind of, oh, this smells good. I kind of want to like squeeze it, but then I'll have to go wash it, so let's not do that, but it smells good. So this is the Ritual of Ayurveda, and it's Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So I'm looking forward to using this because it smells good. I don't know, Sephora randomly just decided to send me some face mask samples, like clay masks, and I never used these before, so I'm excited. They sent the pink, green, and gray one. So the pink one is for unifying and brightening. The gray one is for skin balancing and mattifying. I need that because this oil slick. And the green one is purifying and pore perfecting. Here's another Instagram ad gift thing. This is from Clear Start, and it's a breakout clearing booster supposedly. So I figured why not feature my box from Influencer in this video because it falls into the freebie category. So I was actually really excited for this because hair products, like full-size hair products for natural hair. I mean, it's not for natural hair, but it's natural products, meaning paraben free, sulfate free. These are infused with coconut oil, I believe. There's no silicones, no artificial colorants, no mineral oil. Sounds good to me. So this is a Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treat Jelly Shaping, and this is the Smoothie Defining, and I've used both of them. So far they're good. Like, I mean, I haven't been using them consistently to know how they work, or like how they work in comparison to not using them or to using other products, but so far I like them. This one smells nice. No, it doesn't. I lied. It doesn't stink. It's not like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. No, it smells regular. I just use this for when I wash my hair and I need like, or in between, you know, just to moisturize it. And this one I use when I'm actually trying to style it. And so like maybe if I had perm rods and I'm trying to keep the curl pattern, I use this one. I feel like everybody's trying to cater to like natural now. Like everybody wants to make a natural line or a curly girl line. Like it's cute or whatever. I think that's everything. So I am going to go. I hope you found some usefulness in this video. Like I hope I put you onto some new stores and brands that you didn't know gave free stuff, because like I said, I did not know that these people gave free gifts. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, which I mean, if you did, I rock with you. Like, you're cool. I like you. You're cool. Like, we're friends. We're true friends if you made it all the way to the end. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Just kidding, I won't see you. I'll see myself. Bye.